Hello, and welcome to the National Heisey Glass Museum. We're in our museum shop again today, and we're located at 169 West Church Street in Newark, Ohio. Our phone number is 740-345-2932. Our current hours of operation are Tuesdays through Saturdays, 10 a.m. to 4 p.m. You can find us on the web at heiseymuseum.org or visit our new YouTube channel. I'm Jack Burris. I'm the director and curator here at the museum, and we have Cheryl Verasso behind the camera once again today. Today we're going to talk about beads, more specifically Heisey beads. These have been an incredibly popular and successful item for us here. A number of years ago, the president at the time's wife turned to him and said, "Why can't I have Heisey beads for my bracelet?" And he thought and came up with the beautiful start of the beads that we have today. I'm currently wearing my cufflinks. These are tangerine beads. I'm wearing those in honor of Halloween, so happy Halloween. We'll talk more about those later. But for now, let's go to our case and explore some of the wonderful diversity of the beads that we have available. All of these beads, as I should point out, are made 100% from recycled Heisey glass. So the original brilliance and sparkle and color are all intact. Our initial series was called the Depression series. These were colors that were popular during the Depression and made exclusively by Heisey. We had a flamingo bead. This color was made by Heisey from 1925 to 1935. And it's the color of the beautiful flamingo birds. We also made a moon gleam. This color was made from 1925 to 1935 also. And this is the beautiful green that was so popular during those years. Sahara rounds out the Depression series, and that was the color of the desert sands. This is a beautiful, brilliant, but bright and pale yellow. Our next series were the modern series. These were the Dawn and Crystal and Zircon beads. These beads were made later in the timeline of Heisey. We had Dawn, which is a beautiful gray. It was made from 1955 to 1957. We had Crystal that was made throughout the history of Heisey and something they were always very proud of. So from 1896 to 1957. And then we had Zircon. This color was one of the only colors that Heisey did twice. Initially, we made it from 1936 to 1939, and then again from 1955 to 1957. The traditional series was introduced later. These consist of a marigold bead. This was a brilliant bright yellow that was produced from 1929 to 1930. And hawthorn. It was produced from 1927 to 1928, and it's a beautiful pale lavender. We also did with this series a sterling silver charm. It has our beautiful diamond age trademark. All of these we continue to have available. But with the initial success of that series, we've added many more beads. We have a Vaseline, we have a custard, we have an emerald, we have an opal plain or an opal painted, we have a beautiful rich cobalt bead, an incredible alexandrite bead, a beautiful amber, a tangerine, we have gold dots and cobalt flowers, we have a series of sparkle beads and a special series of specialty beads. We have anything that you would want, and please contact us for further information about these beautiful items that are available.